Well, the day is finally here, October 24th, 2024, early voting in Highlands County. So we got our soda at Marathon and drove down to the polling place in Sebring on Kenilworth Boulevard. And I'll show you a video here. It was packed. It went around the building like the entrance is like halfway in the building. It was around there, around the gate, and all the way down halfway around the building. So we turned around and went, and we dropped off some donations at Habitat for Humanity Restore, and then Debbie says, "Let's go up to Avon Park to the thrift store up there." So we went up there, and on the way up there, a couple of blocks before that, Debbie saw the polling place up there, and it wasn't too bad. So I checked on the Highlands County Elections Board, and it says, well, if you live in Highlands County, you could vote at any one of the three. So here's some of the videos of what we did and some pictures while we were there. So we voted. Got it done. Go vote today, but there's a big line around the building. There's no place to park in there. So we're gonna have to come back later.
You want to see if it calmed down.
Yeah. Come back later.
It's all the way down here.
I just got out of the polling place in Avon Park. We had to come up here. Debbie wanted to go to the thrift store, and she's seen this place. And the line was a lot shorter, so we got our little stickers here. Debbie got hers. She hung it up right here. So we done our deed. All right. Woohoo! All right.